Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to factory reset or hard reset any Poco phone. Now to do that, first of all, you have to power off your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button. Now from here, just swipe up and power off your smartphone. Now once you have done that, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you feel a vibration and you see the Poco logo on the screen. Now let's do that. Let's press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now from here, just release the power button and press and hold the volume up button. Now from here, just press the volume down button and select wipe all data. Now from here, press the power button to confirm wipe all data. Now from here, just press the volume down button and select wipe all data and confirm it by pressing the power button. Now from here, just press the volume down button to select confirm. Now from here, just confirm this action by pressing the power button. Now from here, it will take a few seconds to a few minutes to finish the factory reset and to wipe all the data on your smartphone. Now as you can see, the loading has finished and as you can see, data wiped successfully. Now from here, just press the power button to confirm back to main menu. Now from here, just press the power button one more time to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, press the power button to select reboot to system. Now from here, it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to finish rebooting. Now as you can see, the smartphone has finished rebooting and it is now on the first time boot screen. Now to set up your smartphone, just tap on this arrow icon on the screen. Now from here, just select your language. Now from here, just tap on the arrow icon once you choose your language. Now from here, just select your region. Now from here, once you select your region, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, scroll down and tap on I have read and agreed to the user agreement. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, tap on skip. Now from here, just connect your smartphone to your Wi-Fi. Now from here, enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Now from here, tap on connect. Now once you have done that, just tap on this blue arrow at the bottom right corner on the display. Now from here, just enter your email address. Now once you have entered your Gmail address, just tap on next. Now from here, just enter the password of your Gmail address. Now once you have entered the password of your Gmail address, just tap on next. Now from here, tap on I agree. Now from here, tap on next. Now from here, tap on don't restore. Now from here, tap on more and tap on accept. Now from here, tap on turn on backup. Now from here, tap on skip. Now from here, tap on continue. Now from here, tap on more and tap on I agree. Now from here, tap on more and tap on I agree. Now from here, tap on I agree. Now from here, tap on skip. Now from here, tap on no thanks. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, just select your preferred font style. You can select between Mi Sans and default. I will select default. Now once you select your font style, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, tap on skip. Now from here, just select if you want the app drawer or if you want the classic option. Now once you select the classic option, it will disable the app drawer. I will select the app drawer. Now once you select your option, just tap on this arrow icon. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for your smartphone to prepare its system. Now from here, as you can see, the setup has been completed. Now from here, just tap on this arrow icon. Now, as you can see, this is how you can factory reset or hard reset any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video.